So this is our last lecture for this topic, that is liquid states. Okay, now we are going to see liquid crystals. So you might have been heard the word LCD, liquid crystal display. Your mobiles, TV screen, computer screen, some digital displays of analytical balances. Okay, or to check the weight balances are also there. So the displays are made up of liquid crystal. Okay, so what these liquid crystals are, how they invented, how they work, when they invented, okay, what are the different applications apart from these applications, what we are using. Okay, so everything is there, and what is their structure actually is that we are going to see over here. Okay, and what chemicals are used as a liquid crystal displays, okay, that we are going to study. So crystalline solids are anisotropic. What is anisotropic? Their physical properties such as magnetic properties, optical properties, electrical properties are different in different directions. That properties are different in different directions. Okay, and for isotropic liquids, properties are same in all directions. Okay, same in all directions. This is what the difference between isotropic and anisotropic. Okay, iso means similar, tropic means properties. Okay, here aniso means dissimilar properties. Okay, so with the different direction, the properties are appears different, but in isotropic properties are appears same from all direction. Okay, see, when some crystalline solids like cholesterol benzoate are heated first, melted into a translucent, say, translucent mobile state, which would flow like a liquid, but these were anisotropic. These were anisotropic. Okay, having a double refraction. On heating further at a definite higher temperature, it would melt into a clear isotropic liquid. Okay, and the liquid was the milky and translucent anisotropic substance produced before being transformed into a clear liquid. Have been named liquid crystal. Have been named liquid crystal. Okay, what is this? The milky and translucent anisotropic substance produced before being transformed into a clear liquid have been named as a liquid crystal, and this is named by Lehman in 1889. It is a mesomorphic state between crystalline solid and isotropic liquid. Meso means in between. Okay, it shows both mesomorphic, double form. It shows double form. Okay, that is of crystal and liquid. Okay, so it is intermediate form of crystalline solid and isotropic liquid. So the formation of crystal is rare. Okay, in the liquid molecule have random arrangement, while in the solid crystal molecules are arranged in ordered manner. Okay, their position is fixed. However, in liquid crystal, the molecules are arranged parallel to each other, possesses orientational or weak positional order. As a result, they can flow like a liquid. As a result, they can flow like a liquid. Thus, the liquid crystal have fluidity of liquid and optical properties of a crystal. See, this is what the magic here, and that people are using now. The liquid crystal have fluidity of liquid and optical properties of the solid crystal. Okay, see now how that is classified. So liquid crystal may be classified into three different classes. Okay, first class is nematic. Nematic. Where is the nematic? If you see on your screen, this is what the nematic. Okay, the molecule preferentially pointing in a single direction. Okay, single direction. This is what the arrow showing the direction of orientation of the molecule. Okay, so this is also a mesophase. Okay, nematic comes from the Greek word. They are thread-like. They are thread-like. So in the nematic phase, the molecule lie together in same direction. Okay, but staggered, like a car on the busy multi-lane highway. Nematic liquid crystal have translucent appearance because they scatter the light strongly and they flow more readily than the symmetric liquid. See what happens. है ना, सिंगल हायवे आहे, वन वे आहे असं कन्सिडर करा आणि त्याच्यावरती भरपूर कार ज्या आहेत ट्रॅफिक जाम झालेले आहे आणि सिंगल डायरेक्शनने जात आहेत, तर त्या कार कसं ओरिएंटेशन असेल त्या गाड्यांचं किंवा कारचं, लाईक दॅट. ओके, असं ते त्या ठिकाणी चित्र दिसतं आहे. ओके, आफ्टर दॅट विल सी स्मॅक्टिक. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो मेसोफेज अँड इट मीन्स सोपी. इट मीन्स सोपी. तुम्ही जर स्मॅक्टिक जर बघितला तर हा बघा, या इथे आहे बघा, मॉलिक्यूल आर अलाइन विथ द सिंगल डायरेक्शन बट दे ऑल्सो फॉर्म ए लेअर स्ट्रक्चर. मिलिटरी कशी उभी राहते किंवा स्कूलमध्ये आपल्याला कशी एनसीसी एनएसएस मध्ये कसे उभे करतात है ना, त्या पद्धतीने मॉलिक्यूलची या ठिकाणी अलाइनमेंट असते, लाईक दॅट. ओके, so this is left from the pneumatic phase. These are the examples. Okay, these are the examples: para-azoxyanisole, para-azoxyphenitol. Okay, then para-methoxycinnamic acid. A few more examples are there. So this is the transition point of a solid crystal and liquid phase. Okay, so these are what the transition point, and in this point they are working very well. Okay, so symmetric phase. Okay, the molecules line up like a soldier or parade. तुम्हाला बोललो ना, एनसीसी एनएसएस सारखे त्या ठिकाणी अरेंजमेंट आहे आणि ते क्रिस्टलाइन लिक्विड आहे. ओके, these are the examples and this is the point where they are working like a crystal and liquid. So ethyl para-azoxybenzoate, ethyl para-azoxycinnamate and N-octyl para-azoxycinnamate. So these are the substances which the people are using as a symmetric phase. Okay, here also you can see on the screen their alignment in a single direction. Okay, and they are used in our day-to-day life. We'll see that in the application point. In the cholesteric phase, the molecule form. See, this is what the cholesteric. Layer astat. In a single layer, all molecules align in a single direction. So this is the second layer. Again, all molecules align in a different direction. Okay, like this. Here molecules are aligned in this way. So here in the third case, molecules align in this direction. In the third layer, molecules are aligned in this direction. So layers are there, and each layer, all molecules are aligned in a single direction. Okay, and for the next layer, again molecules align in a different direction. This is how this cholesteric or chiral pneumatic, okay, they form structure. Okay, so in cholesteric liquid crystal, the molecular axes are aligned and the molecules are arranged in a layer in which orientation of axis shift in the regular way. Okay, it is going from one layer to next as shown in the figure. Okay, so cholesterol benzoate is the example. Its transition point is 145 degrees Celsius and melting point is 178 degrees Celsius. Okay, and they have characteristic of pneumatic. Some of the characteristic of this cholesteric phase is like a pneumatic. Okay, pneumatic mesophase. See, this is याच्या सारख्या property काही त्या ठिकाणी तो दाखवतो cholesteric. Okay, so again that can be classified on the basis of heat. On the basis of heat. So thermotropic liquid crystal. Okay, if the transition between phase occur due to temperature, then the liquid crystal called thermotropic. Okay, and they are made by melting the solid phases. Okay, the liquid crystal phases exist over shorter temperature range between the solid and the liquid state. Okay, para-azoxyanisole is one of the example of this. Okay, they are highly viscous, they are translucent and opaque. Which one? Thermotropic liquid. Okay, they are used in watches, computer screen, laptop screen, thermometers, okay, TV screen. Over there, these are the used. Thermotropic liquids are used. In the lyotropic liquids, the layer structure that results from the action of solvent on the solid. Okay, so examples are aqueous solution of detergents, lipids, fats, cell membrane, and lyotropic crystals are important for the biological system. Okay, so they are there. तुम्ही कधीतरी साबणाची हे केली फेस केला असेल है ना, तर त्याच्यावरती तुम्ही कलर त्या ठिकाणी बघू शकतात है ना, वेगवेगळे कलर दिसतात त्याच्यामध्ये. नाउ वी आर इन द फायनल point applications. What are the applications of this liquid crystal? Okay, they are used in electronic displays. Okay, so they are used over there. So the orientation of molecule in the liquid crystal changes in presence of electric field. Therefore, we can use this in the electronic display. This reorientation may cause a change in their optical properties. Okay, and making them opaque and translucent. Hence, they are forming specific pattern on the screen. Okay, this is what one application. Second is cholesteric liquid crystal are also of interest because helical structure they have. Okay, they unwind slightly and the temperature as the temperature changes. Because the twist of the helical structure affect the optical properties of these liquids. Okay, these properties change with the temperature. This effect is utilized in the thermometers, crystal thermometers. Okay, तिथे त्याचा यूज होतो. त्यानंतर polymer dispersed liquid crystals, sheets or rods, they are used as an adhesive backed smart film with which can be applied on the windows and electrically switched between the transparent and opaque to provide privacy. काही स्क्रीन असतात बघा, तुम्ही जर बघितलं ना की आतून बाहेरचं दिसतं पण बाहेरून आतलं दिसत नाही. त्या स्क्रीनच्या ज्या असतात ना, है ना, बाहेरून मिरर सारखं दिसतं बघा, आपण त्याच्यावरती बघतो की आरसा म्हणून बघतो, बट आतमध्ये त्या ठिकाणी आतल्या व्यक्तीला आपण दिसतो, आपल्याला आतली साईड दिसत नाही. त्या ठिकाणी हे वापरलं जातं. ओके, पॉलिमर डिस्पर्स लिक्विड क्रिस्टल्स. A thin flat television or computer display was once considered impossible, but now that is a part of our everyday life. तिथे अल्ट्रा थिन वापरतात. तिथे काय असतात, अल्ट्रा थिन वापरतात. ओके, आणि त्याच्यामुळे ते जे डिस्प्ले जे आहे, स्क्रीन वगैरे कॉम्प्युटर असेल किंवा टीव्ही असेल, है ना, ज्या फ्लॅट स्क्रीन ज्या बघता तुम्ही, त्या सगळ्या अल्ट्रा थिन ज्या आहेत, त्या स्क्रीन ज्या आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये आपण काय करतो, हे क्रिस्टल लिक्विड क्रिस्टल डिस्प्ले आपण वापरतो. ओके, अल्ट्रा थिन डिस्प्ले मध्ये आपण ते वापरतो. जसं की आता तुम्ही तुमचा मोबाईल आहे ना, काही लोक लॅपटॉप वरती बघत असाल, काही लोक टीव्ही वरती बघत असाल, तर त्या ज्या अल्ट्रा थिन आहे, एकदम बारीक आहे बघा तुम्ही, है ना. पूर्वी कसे बॉक्स असायचे टीव्हीचे वगैरे, आणि हे कशामुळे पॉसिबल झालेलं आहे, दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ ओनली द लिक्विड क्रिस्टल्स. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये ते वापरतात. So many common fluids such as soapy water are in fact liquid crystals. Soap forms a variety of liquid crystal phases depending on its concentration in the water. Okay, and then liquid crystal general uses आहेत, general application आहेत. So liquid crystal tunable filter are used as a electro-optical devices. Example, hyperspectral imaging. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा त्या ठिकाणी लिक्विड क्रिस्टलचा आपण वापर करतो. सो आणि डेज मीन्स upcoming days we will see number of different applications of this liquid crystal display. Okay, so this branch is very fastly developing. Okay, and research is going on very fast. Okay, but how the life is made easy with the help of these liquid crystals use. Okay, so these are the things which are there in this topic. So this is what the last point for this liquid states. Okay, thank you. After this we are going to start next unit. Okay, and over there we'll see the corresponding points. Thank you.